Hello all, and welcome to Trade Desmo. In this video, I'm going to press some canvas tote bags using these DTF transfer sheets. It's kind of a new thing, but then it's really not. As usual, I'm late to the party. But DTF is direct to film. And this kind of, in my opinion, replaces if you did sublimation, like put HTV on a shirt or whatnot, and then sublimate over it, and you get these type of pretty colors. Well, this is the process of someone, and I don't have the capabilities right now. I might get a DTF printer in the future. They're really super expensive. So if you could find a vendor that provides them for a reasonable cost, highly recommend it, because this is something that I'm just falling in love with. It's these prints, and I order them online, and I'll give you my vendor. It's called 716 Printing and Apparel. She does a wonderful job. I mean, like, really look at these vibrant colors. We're going to put them on some tote bags, and I'm going to show you how to do it. And I'm going to order these in the future because it's so easy, and you're doing everything pretty much under a minute. It's 15 seconds heat press, temperature 300 to 315, and then you remove it from the heat press, let it cool down for 30 seconds, put a Teflon sheet on it again for maybe 10 to 15 more seconds, and then you're done. So you're going to see how easy this is going to be, and hopefully you'll try it too, just like I did, and fall in love with it. So let's get started. These are the canvas bags I'm going to use. I bought this one from Michael's, 13.5 by 13.5 by 4 inches. This is white. And I also bought this, it's the same brand, Imagine 8. And this is the black one. Same measurements, everything. So we're going to use these, and I have 2 blacks and 1 white. We're going to put autism on each one, and then the praying moms I'll put on the black. So as I said, we're going to start, my heat press stays on 310. So we're going to start by pressing the canvas bag, and I'll show you that in a second. So this is what the canvas tote looks like. And it's recommended that you pre-press it for about 5 seconds before you get started. So I'm going to use a pillow to put inside because I don't want all these wrinkles on here when I get ready to press it. So I have my press pillow inside of here, and we're going to do it for about 5 seconds, just in case if there was moisture inside, and to help get the wrinkles out. Okay, it's been 30 seconds. And now it's time to remove the film off of it. And I'm doing this one-handed, so I hope it turns out right. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that. But we're not done yet. We're going to put it back under the heat press and go for another 10 to 15 seconds with the Teflon sheet on top directly. "15 seconds later." You are, or we rather, are done. Isn't that beautiful? Look how vibrant those colors are. And I did not design this design. I actually got it off my printer's website because she has a lot of graphic designs that she puts on there that you can purchase. And I added it to my gang sheet. But this is just lovely. Look how flexible that is. That's just beautiful. That is our first tote bag. So we're gonna do, or I'm gonna do rather, the other design and come back and show you what they look like. Y'all, this is how the black turned out. You saw us do the white one. Here's the praying moms. Fully functional tote bags. This one has a grunge look to it, so that spots and stuff, that's supposed to be on there, FYI. Yes. Beautiful. Real good quality. But let me tell you this, because the video's over, and it took probably less than 5 minutes just to do these three. Not even that. You're looking at 15 seconds, 30 seconds to cool, 10 to 15 more seconds to press with the Teflon sheet directly on there. That's it. All finished. So care instructions for this is cold water, turn the inside out. Make sure you turn your garments inside out, regardless of what you're putting it on. Like if I wash these, I'm going to turn them inside out. T-shirts, turn them inside out. You don't want to mess up the decal on here or whatever this is called, the print. So turn it inside out, gentle cycle, cold water, avoid fabric softeners, air dry, or low spinning cycle for the dryer. Avoid bleach. Do not use bleach. You don't want to mess. You want these beautiful prints to last as long as you can. So definitely have to take care when washing these. However, they should last and last and last. I will give you the website to the vendor I use for these. All these are her designs. And I did do some on my own, but you have to make sure when you give her the designs to do that it is 300 DPI resolution. One of them that I did wasn't a high resolution, so I'm not going to show you that one because that didn't turn out that great. But that wasn't her fault. That was 100% me, because you have to be responsible for your own design. So anyway, again, like, share, subscribe. We would do more of these. This is wonderful Christmas gifts. I can see stuffing these with different trinkets and goodies and giving it away for Christmas. So let's create together.